Good morning, students. In this video, we will be discussing the division of decimal numbers. And here in this video, children, we will be discussing how we divide a decimal number by a whole number or by 10 or a power of 10 or division of decimal numbers, children. So we have already discussed the addition, subtraction, multiplication of these decimal numbers, and in this video we will be discussing how do we divide decimal numbers. So let's go into some examples. Now here in your textbook on page number 119, okay, you have example 17, and the first example you have dividing 34.0 by 8. So children, in this kind of division, we will simply follow the old method, that how we divide these whole numbers. So we have 34.80. So 8 fours are 32 and we get 2 here. Now we take this decimal and bring it to the quotient. So this will become 4 point and this 8 will come down. So 8 3s are 24, 4 will be left here, and now we can bring the 0 here, and 8 5s are 40. So on dividing 34.8 by 8, you get the answer as 4.35. Okay children, and this division number was divided by a whole number. But if we divide this division number by 10, so children, what will we do? We will just simply move the decimal point to the left as many zeros we have in the divisor. So this is your divisor. Okay, so we have 1 0 in the divisor, so this will be 3.48, and we are dividing it by 10. If we divide 34.8 by 100, then we move this decimal point 2 places to the left. How many places? 2 places. So this will be 0.348. Okay, and if we divide this by 1000, 34.8 divided by 1000, so we will move it 3 places to the left. So this will be 0.0348. Earlier it was here, so 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. So this is how you divide the decimal number by 10 or a power of 10. Now we will look into some more examples. Okay, so you have example 17 part 2. You have 12.615 by 29. So 12.615 by 29. So as you can see here children, 29 is greater than 12. Okay, so what will we do? In this case, we will bring the decimal to the quotient. Okay, so this will be 0 point, and we will remove this decimal. So this decimal is gone from here now. So now we take the whole number 126. Now 29 fours is 116. So this will be 10. This 1 will come down. 29 threes are 87. So in the remainder we will get 14, and this 5 will come down now. This 5 will come down. Okay, so 29 5s are, we get 145 and we subtract and we get 0 here. So we don't divide anymore and we get the answer as 0 0.435. 0 0.435. Some more examples, children. So you have example 18 and it says 0 0.00368 divided by 400. So you have two zeros in the divisor and this is 0 0.00368. So the easy method to do this, children, here is just divide 368 by 4. You'll see why this is easy. 4 nines are 36. So 8 will come down. 4 twos are 8. So you get 92. The divisor is 92, children. And here this was 0 0.00368. So 0 0.00368 was divided by 400. Okay. So two ways by which we can do this. If you remove this division, this decimal sign, then how many zeros we will get in the denominator? 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros in the denominator. So this is 368 upon 4 into how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 zeros. And when we divided 368 by 4, we got 92 upon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this 92 is divided by this number. So this will be 92 and how many zeros to the left, because decimal point will move. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this will be 0 0.0000092. How many zeros we have here? 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So this is the way by which you can do. And one more way is there to do the same question, children. Here what you can do here is, we know this 368 divided by 4 is 92. Okay, so 0 0.00368 when divided by 4 we get, so decimal will come here, 0.00, and this 368 we need to divide this. So this division sign is gone. So 4 nines are 36, 4 twos are 8. So you get this as 0 0.0092, 0 0.00092 divided by, it was 400, so 100. So 0 0.12345. So this is the second method by which you can do the question. It depends on you which method you choose. So example 92. In 19, you have 24.2 by 55,000. Okay, so you need to divide. So what you can do here, children, is 24.2 divided by 55. So 24 is smaller, so you bring the decimal to the divisor. So this will be 242. This will be treated as 242. Now 55 fours are, so this will be 220. You get 22, and this 0 which was here earlier, this comes down. So 220, and again 4s are 220. This becomes 0. So 55 and 0.44 divided by 1000. So this will be 0.44, 0.00044. This is the method by which you can do. One more, or the other way that you can do here, use here is 24.2 by 55,000. So just this will be 24.2 upon 55. 1, 2, 3. You remove the decimal, so it becomes 242 divided by 55 into this many zeros and 4 zeros. So now divide 242 by 55. So you will get the answer as 55. When you divide this by 4 times, you will get 220. You will be left with 20. So point you get 22. You put the point here. You get one more zero here. 4s are 220. This becomes 0. So 4.4 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. So you now move the decimal, you get the answer, children. So this is the other method by which you can do the following questions. Example 20 you have here, and divide 1.692 by 45. So 1.692 by 45. So 1 is smaller than 45, so this will does not, we cannot divide this, so we bring the decimal in the divisor. So 0 point. Now we take these two numbers, 16. So 16 is still smaller than 45, so we put one more 0 here. So now this is 169. So 3s are, we get 135. So this will be 3, 4, 42. Now 45 sevens are, we get the answer as 315, and we get in 27. Now we need to divide 27 by 45. So 27 is smaller, so we add one more 0 here. Okay, 45 6 are, so this will be 270. So 0. So when 1.692 divided by 45, we get the result as 0.0376. So here, what did we do first? We put a decimal here to get the two numbers, 16. But 16 was still smaller, so we put one more 0 here and we get as 169. 135 we solve. Now here when we get 2, 342 minus 315, we get 27. Now children, 27 is smaller, but still we need to divide because there is still a remainder. So what we do, we put a 0 here. Okay, now we are not putting any zeros here, so we put 0 here and divide by 45. 45 6 is 270. We get the answer. Next example, children, example 22. So children, what you can do here is, a pack of 8 chocolates cost 81.92 rupees. So 8 chocolates cost 81.92 rupees. What is the cost of one chocolate? So children, 81.92, we need to divide this by 8. So what you can do here, just remove the decimal, you get this as 800. Now divide 8192 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 0. Okay, so 1 we have, we bring it down 1. So this 9 we have here, and 1 is smaller than 8, so we add a 0 here. Now we get 19. 8 2s are 16. 3 2 2 comes down. 8 4s are 0. So 1024. Okay, and this was 800. So 1024 now divided by 100. So this will be 10.24 rupees. So one chocolate cost 10 rupees 0.24 paisa. Okay. Next question, children. Divide 4.77 by 0.9. So divide 4.77 by 0.9. So children, in this case, both the divisor and the dividend have the decimal. So you can do this either from the textbook method or my method, which I think is more simple. 4.77 on 0.9. Remove the decimal, you get 10 in the numerator. Remove the decimal, you get 100 in the denominator. So you get 477 divided by 90. 477 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. 2 9 3s are 27. Okay, so 53 is divided by 10. You get the answer as 5.3. By this method, children, you can never go wrong. Always make sure you solve the number of zeros correctly. The method which is based in the shown in the textbook here is you have 4.77 by 0.9. And what you do here is, children, you have 4.77 divided by 0.9 is simply, so if you remove the decimal from the denominator, you get 10 in the numerator, and this will be 477 upon, sorry, 47.7 divided by 9. And now you divide. So 47.7 divided by 9. So 9 5s are 45. 2 decimal goes up. 3 9 3s are 5.3 is your answer. This is the way by which you can also do. Okay. Example 25. Simplify 9 divided by 0.00018. So children, 9 is divided by this number. That means 9 divided by 0.00018. It's not difficult, not confusing. Is 9 upon 0.00018. So if you remove the decimal here, so this will become 1 2 3 4 5. So 9 1 2 3 4 5 and divided by 18. So just divide 9 by 18. This will be 0.0185 are 90. So 0.5 into, and on multiplication you will get 5 1 2 3 4 zeros. This will be your answer, children. Example number 28. Example 28 says, a sack contains 8.25 kg of sugar. How many bags, each weighing 0.55 kg, can be filled with it? So a sack contains 8.25 kg of sugar. Okay, one sack has this much amount of sugar. How many bags, each weighing 0.55 kg, can be filled? So children, what we need to do, that we have 0.55 kg bags, and we need to fill these small bags into this 8.25 kg bag. So what we do, 8.25 divided by 0.55. Okay, simple. So they get cancelled. You get 825 upon 55, and now divide 825 by 55. So you get here 55 ones are 55. Answer result will be 275, and 55 fives are is 275. So 15 is your quotient. So 15 small bags, 15 bags can be filled in this bag of larger bag, which is. So children, we have exercise 6E, and you will be getting the solutions of this exercise in the next video. I suppose this division of decimal numbers is very easy, not very difficult. Just go through the examples with the video, and if there are any doubts, you can always ask during the doubt session. And in the next video, we'll be going through this exercise 6A, and I'll be solving most of the questions so that you don't have to face any difficulties in getting the solutions. Thank you, children. Thank you for being so patient.